Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E05 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So luckily this is an error that's pretty common and pretty easy to deal with. So the E5 error is a drain error. So if you get this error, you might also notice that your washing machine is full of water when it's not supposed to be because it's unable to get the water drained out. Now this is going to happen 98% of the time for one of two reasons. One is we'll start with the easier of the two. The easier of the two is that your drain hose behind your machine is clogged or bent or kinked or something like that. So we just want to go and we want to check a couple things. Alright, so first of all we want to check and make sure that it hasn't been kinked or smashed. Like sometimes when you push the washing machine up against the wall, we end up smashing or kinking or bending the hose. So we want to make sure there's no kinks or bends in that hose. And we also want to make sure that, so the machine is going to pump the water up, the hose is at the bottom, it's going to pump the water up, out, and then it's going to go into the drain hose. And so we just want to make sure that it's not pumping, we don't have it set up so it's pumping too high or too far, and it's too much work for the drain pump. So you shouldn't be using anything, any extenders or anything like that on the drain pump, or that make it pump really high and stuff like that, because the pump is just not strong enough to do that. Also, where the hose actually goes into the drain, the hose should sit snugly in the drain, but it should not be sealed. If air can't get into that drain hose, then it can prevent it from draining properly. And then the last thing to check is down at the bottom of your washing machine. Exactly where it is will depend on your model, but you have you'll have access to the pump, and you can open this up and just make sure, sometimes like a button or some kind of debris will come off your clothing, get sucked into the drain pump, and then end up blocking it and keeping it from spinning. And if it can't spin, it can't drain. So if you get rid of that, you'll be able to get it spinning again and get the water draining again and get your washing machine working again. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.